What's up, y'all? It's your girl ShaySkyler, and I'm back with another video. What's up if you're new to my channel, and what's up if you're a returning subby? Thank you for coming back to my channel. Your girl setup is back. I'm gonna have a tour. If you haven't seen my video of my new home experience, make sure that you click the link up here. But I am going to be giving tours of my room, but Shayshi room is back and better than ever. Today's video is going to be sponsored by Uni's Hair. They sent me a T-part 13x5 lace frontal unit. T-parts are new to the game. They're easier to install to me, just because they don't have, it's not a lot of lace for you to work with. They sent me a 16-inch straight unit. It's 150% density. This unit will run you like 127 bucks. It is on Amazon, and it does come with Prime shipping, which is great. Y'all know I love my Prime shipped units, y'all. So let's get into it. So in the box, okay. Ooh, y'all, the wig fell on the floor. We have our unit, of course. Okay, and with the unit, they give you a wig cap. And y'all, remember when the wig caps used to come in 2 in a pack? Now they come in 1 in a pack. So I don't know what's going on, but I collect these. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in my drawer. So we do have a wig cap. And then we also have this band that I use to just lay like my baby hairs and stuff. I have like 3 of these by Unique. So I love these. So I keep these as well. And then we have the unit. This is her. She is 16 inches, like I said again. So this is how she's looking straight out of the pack. So we have our T part. So first we have our 5-inch parting. Then this is 13. The T part, as you can see, it makes a T. Then we have 2 combs that's on the side and then 1 comb in the back. And this one actually comes with lace in the back. I never use that, y'all. Y'all know, if y'all watch my reviews, I do not use those, but it's fine and dandy. So again, she's 150% density. She is thick. She thick. She thick. She got a lot of body, okay? And I love straight units with a lot of body. We're going to go ahead and get into this install. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just take my powder and put it on the lace. All right, guys, so this is how she's looking with me just actually throwing her on. Now, you can tell, like what I said, that you can't really, you know, get into the lace. You're not working with that much lace. So this is me just putting her on without me doing anything to it. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take my flat iron and get her right, because she is out the pack. She is straight hair, so that means we do have to give her some love and affection. So I'm just going to take my flat iron and go ahead and give her a little run through. All right, guys, so that's it for this install. Let me know if you're feeling her. I do love her. She is beginner friendly. She is definitely easy to install, definitely easy to maintain, and I love her price. All right, guys, so let me know if you're feeling it, and make sure you check out my description box for a link to this hair. Love you guys so much, and thanks for watching. Bye.